Hello everyone, this is Chris Morris. We're continuing on here with our advanced training. This is going to be lesson 10, basically talking about how to edit an automated report. So basically what's the purpose of an automated report? And then we're going to talk about how to edit it once you have it's been set up. There's also a way to run it immediately so you don't have to wait till that time frame. You can run it right now. And then in the end then we'll show you how to delete it. Purpose of an automated report: have common reports emailed to designated individuals automatically, specific time and day. Eliminates the need for someone having to manually run the report, then attach and send out the email. Go ahead, get on over to VT3000, log into your VRS2 software. You're on your home page. We're going to go up here to options. We're going to select automated reports. And as you'll see here, we have our ones we have set up in here are listed. So first things first, you want to edit. You're basically going to click on the edit icon, which basically looks like a pencil here. Click on that. And then here you can change the number of it, change the name of it, change the offset. I have this running for last month, but it's because of the type that I have, but I could run it for a year and say just go back last year. Go ahead and set it for like 2 months ago. Go ahead and hit next. Your time slot. So this is when I'm running. I run at 12 a.m. every day on Monday. You could add another time slot. You can edit this time slot, change the day of the week, change it every hour, whatever it is that you need. Go ahead and hit next. You can change the report format from like a PDF. I could say I want to see it as an image. Add email addresses, remove email addresses, and if you need to change anything on your description, you can go ahead and do that here. So you have all your changes made. Save and exit. Basically get back here, shows up with all the changes that you made. Next thing you can do is, though, as we have this running every day at 12 a.m. on Monday, right? So we can actually, if we don't want to wait till Monday, we need to see it now for whatever reason, and this has the settings that we want for the report. We can come over here and click on our icon for running the report immediately. So basically just click on it, and once it runs, it's going to go ahead and calculate, and then it'll come up here and say automated report ran successfully. So now you know that it was run successfully, should be emailed out in a couple minutes. Last thing we want to do here in automated reports is how do we remove one. So we've got two listed here. Just say we're not going to be using this downtime reason report anymore. Come over here and select the delete icon, which is basically a circle with the X. Click on it. It's going to say, are you sure you want to delete this selected automated report? We'll hit OK and tell you that it was successfully deleted and we don't have it on our list anymore. That concludes the lesson on editing, running, and deleting automated reports. We go over our summary. Purpose of an automated report: like I said, we want to email common reports out on specific days and times. How to edit an automated report: selecting that edit icon and then changing the selections on the properties pages. How do we run one instantly? We went through that, and then how to delete an automated report. A little practical application. Go ahead and edit the properties of an existing automated report. Run that automated report, see how it's different. You could even use the immediate run option. And if you have any unwanted automated reports, go ahead and delete them out. Some additional information. Here's the VRS2 wiki page, and then this is like the overview on automated reports. Pretty much talks about what we did in this lesson. Thank you very much for your time, and hope you have a wonderful day. And